everyone, it's Tara from Secret Bee Studio, and I'm here to give you a few pointers on how I created this super adorable Christmas tag mini featuring the Merry and Bright paper collection from Simple Stories. This chunky tag mini measures about 6 3/4 inches long by 3 1/4 inches wide, and it's stuffed full of adorable tags and frames, chipboard, and stickers. To create this tag mini, I used a tag die, in particular the Memory Box Main Street stitched tag die, and I used the largest of the tags to create the base for my mini. And I did not cut the end off of my tag in my die machine, and that was just by not covering the end when I sent it through the die machine. I also used the coordinating Memory Box Annalay stitch decorations to create a little bit of extra length for the end of my tags so that I could have a little more room for my album. And you can see that on some of these pages I used that decoration. Others I just kept the tag as long as I wanted by not cutting it off. I also used just a little standard vellum envelope that I picked up somewhere online. I believe this one is from Paper Tray Ink. And I used a lot of the embellishments from the paper collection, including the Puffy stickers, the chipboard, the bits and pieces. And this collection came with a package of tags and frames that you will see that I used throughout this super cute mini. So on the first page, I did use one of the tags and a couple of the bits and pieces and just decorated that with a bit of tulle to make a cute little bow. I tried to give each page a little bit of a tab on the edge so you could turn it a little bit easier, plus it's a cute decoration. On this particular frame, which is from the Frames and Tags package from the collection, I popped that frame up on some foam adhesive and left the top open so a photo could simply be put in through the top, as well as the frame on this page. I just popped it up on some adhesive and left the top open to slide a photo through. And here's that little vellum envelope, and I just simply decorated the front with some stickers and chipboard, and then I used the same tag dies, this one in a smaller size, to create a tag that would fit inside that vellum envelope. And I decorated the ends of that tag with more embellishments from the collection. I also gave it a cute little tassel at the top. Now this page features some chipboard, and you can put a picture right there, and then I just embellished it with a few sequins from my stash. This page features an interactive element, and I just folded part of the paper collection, scored it at the top, and then adhered it to the page underneath for that cute fold up element. I used a little bit of washi tape on that polka dotted page, and then on the opposing page another frame that's again popped up on some foam adhesive. More cute little tags there on the edge of the page just to make it a little bit easier to flip. And I added in some adhesive pearls and adhesive enamel dots. This album was adhered to a small accordion piece that I cut out of more coordinating paper and scored at 1/2 inch and then folded, and that's what you can see there in the back. And then I adhered all the pages to it, punched some holes with my Crop-A-Dile, and tied it with some cute country twine. And there you have it. That's this cute little tag mini. Thanks for watching. Hope you all have a Merry Christmas.